Just a minute, Mr. Vasan. The fact is that, as I said, if the CBI is accused of being a caged parrot in the UPA years, it's today accused of being a Rottweiler. Look at the manner in which the CBI has acted in the Narda case. Same facts, same circumstances. You don't touch the leaders who have switched over to the BJP. You only arrest those who are now with the TMC. You do it, as is being suggested, on a day when the charge sheet is being filed. You ask straight for judicial custody. I mean, surely the CBI is turning out now to be is accused of being the central BJP investigation now.
You see, I can't comment on somebody being arrested and somebody being not arrested because I don't have the investigation report before me. I'm not able to do that. But what is to be noted is when the charge sheet is filed today and the prosecution sanction was given by the governor, that means the substantial investigation was completed by CBI and no more investigation was left to be done. Maybe some, small bit might have not been completed, but the substantial investigation.
But isn't it ironical? Doesn't it strike you as ironical that it happens 15 days? Sir, it happens 15 days after Mamata Banerjee wins a 2/3 victory, a case from 2016. The CBI could have completed its investigation much earlier. It seems to have timed its investigation first with Abhishek Banerjee before the election. You have the ED going to his house. Now, the arrests take place immediately 15 days after. I mean, to be fair to Professor Mondal, the impression is that at some level we are becoming a banana republic.
Rajiv, let me complete. The arrest today, according to me, not at all was justified. There was no need for CBI to arrest these people. They could have filed charge sheet and asked the court to summon these accused. Yes. On the other hand, the behavior of the state government or the political executive there, going to CBI office, taking the supporters and arriving the CBI office also does not bring a moral to be different. Both political parties or both these sides are equally guilty of absolutely setting a very, very wrong precedent.
I agree. Sir, I agree what has happened on both sides is wrong, but to draw an equivalence also at one level would be false, particularly because one expects the CBI to observe certain rules as the Central Bureau of Investigation. Of course, Mamata Banerjee will also have to give answers, but primarily this time it's the CBI which is clearly in the dock. I want to leave it there because I think we need to move beyond the political cyclone in a moment back to COVID. But I appreciate my guests giving their various points of view. Let me take a break.